I started the recording. I'm sharing my screen. Let me know you are able to see my screen or not. Able to see my screen?
Yes,
The
I can see.
work. Okay. So yesterday just I have shown you the structure of the department. Today the main file structure we will see. Okay. File structure
Okay.
of Oracle apps. Okay.
Yeah.
File structure of Oracle apps. So in the file structure of Oracle apps will be, first we will have application top. Okay. I'll open which one would be better. Okay. So in this first top will be application top. Okay. Under application top, we will have module specific tops. One, two, three top. Like some so many will be there. Like this. Just we will consider four or five. Okay. Next, under this we will have a version. Okay. Under this we will have a version. Next, under the version we will have forms, reports, SQL, out, sorry, better we will go with the notepad. Okay, first application top. Under the application top, we will have module specific tops. Under the module specific top, we will have a version. Under the version, we will have reports, forms, reports, SQL, out, bin, and admin. Okay, like this. Next, under this, we will have a language specific for particularly for the forms and reports. Okay, forms will be the extension with .rdf and reports will be with the dot. Sorry, forms will be .fmx and reports will be .rdf. Okay, I'll mention everything here. Okay, custom top, AP top, suppose inventory top, GL top and pivot top like this. Next, under this we will have a one more top, that is version. Okay. Now here in this we will have object specific tops. Okay, object specific tops. First one, forms, reports, SQL, out, bin, and admin. Next, under this we will have a language specific tops. Okay. Yes. Yes. So what is the extension for the ODF? The extension for the forms is .fmx, and for the RDF is .rdf. Okay. The like this flow will be there. Okay. I will mark like this. So under the application top, we will have a module specific tops. These are all the module specific tops. This is the application top. So under the module specific top, we will have a application top for all these version will be there. Okay. Next, for the version, we will have forms, reports, SQL, PLSQL, out, bin, and admin. What are all this? I'm going to discuss. No, don't worry. Forms and reports. So this is the file structure. Okay, this is the file structure of the Oracle applications. So the file structure starts with the application top. Okay, what is the top directory? Top directory is the application top. Under the application top, we have module specific top. So as I said, in the Oracle applications, we have 250 plus modules. So what will happen means under this application top, we will have all the module specific tops. Okay, AP, AR, GL, PO, inventory, like this, whatever the modules are there, all the modules will be there under the application top. This is the top directory. Okay, these are all module specific top. Under each module specific top, we will have a version. Okay, under the module specific top, we have version that is 12.0. Okay, so this signifies the version which we are connecting. Okay, we are using the latest version. So yesterday I have shown you, right, 12.2. So that version we are using. So this is the latest version we are using. So under the module specific top, we will have a version. Okay, under the version, we are having object specific tops, that is forms, reports, SQL, out, bin, and admin. Okay, forms, reports, SQL, out, bin, and admin. Okay, what is the file extension for the forms is .fmx, and the file extension for the reports is .rdf. Okay, so under forms and reports, when we observe only for the forms and reports, we are having a additional top, that is US. Okay, additional top, that is US. Now we have understood the flow. First, application top. Under that, we will have a module specific top. Under the module specific top, we will have a version. Under the version, we are having a object specific tops, that is forms, reports, SQL, out, bin, and admin. And then the forms for the particularly for the forms and reports, we are having a language specific top. Okay. Now SQL strict, what is a for this SQL, the extension for this SQL is dot SQL. Okay, for this SQL, the extension is dot SQL. Okay, extension for this SQL is dot SQL. Okay, what is out files means these out and bin will come under inbound and outbound interface. So out and bin folders will how it will be used means whatever the files they have provided or whatever the files we are providing, the files we will place it in out. Okay, the files we will get it from the client, so those files we will place it here. Okay, we will place the out files in this files in the out directory, and in the bin directory we will place the control file. Okay, in the bin directory we will place the control file. Okay, so bin will be accessible when we are running the SQL loader tool. Okay, using the control file we will load the data into the table. Okay, we will load the data into the table, so file will be there in our directory, and the control file that is which we are working with the SQL loader, that will be there in the bin directory. So it will check the data from the it will check the file from the out directory, and it will SQL loader will run using this control file which is there in the bin directory. Okay, so all the control files are part of bin directory, or files are the part of out directory. Okay, so for this one the extension will be dot out. No, for in the bin directory what are the files will be there means, okay, the files will be exe or control files will be there in the bin directory. Okay, dot exe files and control files. Okay, in the admin what we will have means, in the admin we will have admin folder contains DBA related files. Okay, admin folder contains DBA related files will be there under the admin. Why it is going here? Okay, it is going here, but under the admin we will have DBA related files. Okay, under the admin we will have DBA related files. So first we will have application top, that is a top directory. Under the application top we will have a module specific top. Under the module specific top we will have a version. Okay, under the version we will have object specific top, that is forms, reports, SQL out, bin and admin. Okay, under the only for the forms and reports we will have a language specific top, that is US. Okay, so particularly for the forms and reports only we will have this. And what is the extension for the forms is .fmx, and in the reports we will have .rdf, and in the SQL we will have a .sql files. And in the out, when we are working with the inbound interface, then the files will be placed in the out directory, and the control file will be placed in the bin directory. The data file will be placed in the out directory, and in the bin directory we will have a control file to work with the SQL loader, and in the admin we will have a DBA related files. Understood, right? This is how Oracle application file structure is designed. Okay, let me
Okay.
check. Okay, so I'll explain in this here also. root directory is called application top. Under the root directory, under application top, we have module specific top. Under module specific top, example we have discussed, right? AP top, inventory top, GL top, like this. Okay. When you observe in the structure, here we are having a custom top. Okay, generally we will when we are working in the office, generally we will place all the whatever we are doing, custom reports or forms, or okay, anything we are developing, that those are we are going to place in the custom top. We will not have access to these modules, so only the standard programs will be there in this module specific tops. But when we are creating the custom reports, forms, or like that, those all we will be placing in the custom top. Okay. Next, 12.0. This one signifies the version of Oracle apps. Okay, this signifies the version of the Oracle apps. Under this top, we are having a language specific top, language specific directory. Okay. So language specific directory means it will be like, for suppose in the Oracle applications can be installed in any language like France, US, Spanish, Chinese. So based on that, so when we install the Oracle apps in English, then the language will be US. So if you install the Oracle applications different language, then this language might change. Okay. So we will install the Oracle application is US language. So that's why the language will be US. If it is a France or something, US, Spanish or something, means it will be different. Okay. If we install the Oracle application is France, means the extent this language will be different. How it will be there means FRE, like that. Okay. So based on the in which language we are installing the Oracle applications, based on that this language will be dependent. Okay. So this, as I said, language specific top is only for language specific top is only for forms. Okay, only for forms and reports. Okay. So what are the client machines means? So in order to work with the client machines, we will have a J developer and SQL developer. J developer is to work on the OAF files, and the SQL developer is to work on PLSQL procedures and SQL queries to work on the report. So all those will be we can work with the SQL developer, and the J developer will be to work on the OAF pages. Okay. So we have discussed about this file structure, right? If you want to see this file structure, we can log in with the WinSCP and we can see the file structure. Okay, I am going to start. I'm clicking on WinSCP. Okay, oracle.com. Login. Okay, we need to all these details will be provided after you have registration has been done. Okay, we need to log in with hostname, username, and password. Okay, first I'm going to root U02. U01, Oracle, Wiz, FS2, EBS apps, application. So now the file structure is starting. Okay. First, what is the file structure? What is the top directory in the file structure, Prabhaka? Hello? Hello? Prabhaka, able to hear me?
Yes, yes, yes.
Yeah. In the file structure, what is the first top?
Application top.
Yeah. So now the structure starting from here. Okay. We need to click on APPL, that is application top. So under the application top, what is the next step?
Version tab.
No. In the under the application top, we will have a module specific tops. Okay. These are
Okay,
all the
go ahead.
module specific top. So we will go with AP. Okay. We will go with AP. So I clicked on AP. So application top, module specific top. Under the module specific top, we are having a version. See 12.2.0. This is the version. Next, under these, we are having all the object specific tops. We can see out, bin, forms, SQL reports. So all these admin, so all these will be there under the version. Okay. I'll click on reports. Okay. For the forms and the reports, for see, I am clicking on forms, US language is there. I'm clicking on reports, US language is there. And for the bin, check once out, there is no US specific top. Okay, bin check once, there is no US specific tops. Okay, so for particularly for the forms and reports, US specific top is there. Okay, if you click on this one, all the report files, okay, the all the RDF files will be there under the reports. Okay, when we click on reports, all the files will be there under the reports US language. Okay, now we can see the forms. Okay, when I'm clicking on forms US language, we will see all the forms which are there in the under the US language. And here we will check the out. See all the CSV files. This is the data file. Okay, this is the data file. So in the out directory, we will have a data file, and in the bin directory, we will have a control file. Okay, in the bin directory, we will have a control file. Next in the admin, DBA related data will be there. Okay, these are all the DBA related data. So this is the thing. Okay, I'll open like this. See, first application top, module specific top. After that, version. After the version, we will have reports, and after the reports, we will have US specific top. Understood, right? The flow.
Yes, yes, got it.
That flow we can see in the WinNSIP. Fine.
Okay.
Yeah. So as I said, we have additional top. Okay, we have additional top, that is custom top. Okay, as I said, we are having an additional top, that is custom top. If you create a new report, okay, if you create a new report in the office generally, so the new report, that is a custom report, we can say, for suppose we are creating the invoice report. Okay, invoice report. So for the report, the extension is .rdf. Okay, this belongs to the AP module. Okay, this belongs to the AP module, but we are not going to place in the AP specific top. We will be placing in the custom top. Okay, we will be placing in the custom. Generally, we will not have an access to the module specific tops. Just we will have a whatever the new development we are doing, that we are going to place in the custom top. Okay,
It means
so
those who are
all
who are creating the users creating that kind of reports comes under the custom tab. Huh?
custom top. Yeah, yes.
What are the
Or the
default
standard.
default
Yeah,
reports?
default reports means, okay, for suppose I mean it will be divided into modules. Okay, so the reports which are come under AP module, those will be there under the AP module. If it comes under the inventory module, those reports will be there in the under the AR module. So like that, based on the modules, the files will be there under that specific tops. Okay,
Okay.
so all the custom files created by developer should be placed in custom top. Okay. For suppose this is a AP, right? So what we can see means transaction.rdf. So this comes under the AR. Okay, generally, if it is a standard report, then it will be there in the AR module. But when we are creating, if we develop, then it will be there. We need to place in the custom top. Okay, so how we will be able to know that this report belongs to this module? Okay, how we will be able to know that this report belongs to this module means using the report registration process. Okay, using the report registration steps. So in this we point out that invoice RDF belongs to AP module, and this transaction dot RDF belongs to module. Okay, using the report registration steps, we are going to know that this invoice.rdf, this belongs to the AP module, and transaction.rdf, this belongs to the AR module. So we will when we are placing in the custom top, the now the at that time we are not knowing that this one belongs to the AP module, AR module. But generally we will go to the Oracle applications. Okay, we will go to the Oracle applications and we will register these reports, forms, or all these things as a concurrent program. So while we are registering this reports or forms, then we will specify the this report belongs to the which application. So by that we can understood that this report belongs to particular module AP, AR, PO, like this. Okay, understood, right? What is the file structure?
Yes, yes, but little bit of confusion. So
Okay, what confusion you have, let me know.
no, no. While creating that kind of that time only I can get the and then
Yes, yes.
business like kind of
If
AP
you do the
model.
practice,
Mm.
yeah, you will get to know. Okay. Yesterday you said you are asking something at the end. What is that? Hello, Prabhakar.
Hello.
Yeah, yesterday you are asking something, right?
Uh, its class is demo is over, right? For day.
Yeah.
Uh,
See here, when we log in with Logical Apps, we can see the Oracle Apps Technical Rise component. This is the one. Okay. If you want to register, okay, you already registered, right? So demo registration will be there. If you want to see the course content, you can access this one, and we can register like here, or else we can go to upcoming batches. Okay, we need to find Oracle Apps Technical Rise component Sriveni, and from 8 a.m. to 7 to 8 a.m. This is the one. Okay, now the first one is we need to add in the group. Okay, WhatsApp group link. So we need to add in, we need to click on this one, and we need to join in this group. Okay, particularly we need to go here, and then only we need to click on this one. Okay, this we can join in the WhatsApp group. And next one is Zoom link. Okay, this one we can join using this link in while to attend the class. And by no means, for the registration process has been done. After the first 5 sessions you can register here. You can pay the fee and you can join. Okay,
yes.
registration will be done. Then the course content, if you want to see the course content, you can click here and we can see the course content. See, these are all the course content. So first join the group so that you can get all the updates. Okay, if you have any doubts, or you are having a queries, then you can send the mail to the support. Okay, support mail. Okay, I'll show you that mail also. See, to this mail we can send the mail. Okay, if you want, I'll ping you here in our session.
I have those details.
Okay, you have those details, then fine. Okay, if you have any doubts, we can send the mail to support@logiclabstech.com, and you have already known that this is the course content, and this is to scan to register. Okay, and if you have any support, we can call on these numbers also. Okay, this call option is there. Here also we can see that chat option is there, that is to join in the WhatsApp group. Okay, we can call on these numbers also. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, you have understood the file structure, right?
Yes, yes.
Fine. Okay.
Uh, a few general questions like course related. It's not related course. It's my plan related. Can you stop the recording?
Yeah, sure.